In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a music on Canva design. So first, I open a design, blank design. So I add a maybe this video. This is a nature video, and this is animal. Now you need to click on background app. So here are type audio. Now click on this audio. So here are lots of audio you can add. It's totally free method. So you can see this is a paid version, this is a paid version, but it's also available on free. So if I click on this show filters, so here are free and education. So I click on free, then again go out, or you can see this is a my or this is absolutely free. So if I drag and drop on my timeline, so if I playing, it's already starting. So if you want to add your custom song, just click on upload and upload your song on from your computer, then you can keep it on here, the under on here. So if I click on preview, you can see it's already working. So this is the method how you can add music to video on Canva. So this link I will in my video description for the access. You need to log in with your Gmail, then let's start your work right now. If you have found this video helpful for me, make sure like and subscribe this channel. So if you have any questions, please comment below. See you again, take care, goodbye.